Okay, if you started your research and you wanted to figure out who can perform maintenance and on what components you can perform maintenance, the best way to find that information is go to the FAA website. It's faa.gov. If you navigate down to Federal Aviation Regulations, FARs, if you go into current Federal Aviation Regulations, and since we're speaking about maintenance, remember maintenance is always under FAR 43. So if you see 43, it has something to do with maintenance. And if you scroll down, you'll see it goes from 43.1 to 43.17. Maintenance, preventive maintenance, and this explains under each section of 43 who can perform maintenance, how the maintenance is documented, any aircraft limitations, what the different limitations may be, and there's also at the very bottom there are some appendages, for major alterations and some things that might not be covered in the main document. But if I wanted to know who could perform maintenance on an aircraft, if you go to 43.7, you'll see 43.7 covers maintenance, preventive maintenance, rebuilding, and alterations of planes, of aircraft. So 43.7 goes from A all the way down to H, and this tells you that the holder of a mechanic certificate or an inspection authorization may approve an aircraft airframe or engine, propeller, or appliance or component part for return to service as long as they have met the requirements under Part 65. So if you're wondering what Part 65 is, that explains how to become an A&P mechanic or an IA. So that's just a brief explanation of what information you can find going into the FAA website, and just one example.